Hi, today we're going to be making a drawing of Mossy, the garden-growing tortoise, and her friend Scoot. This is from Mossy, this wonderful story by Jan Brett about a garden-growing turtle and her friend Scoot. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with markers so you can see what I'm drawing, but you can start with pencil or crayon or whatever you like. Okay, so let's start our drawing of our two tortoises with two rainbow lines. They're going to be kind of facing to each other, kind of maybe talking to each other. Okay, and then let's finish the bottom of their shell. It's going to be kind of a curved smile around the bottom of both of them, kind of like this. One of my turtles might be running off the page just a little bit, and that's okay. All right, then at the top, let's put a little smile for the top of the shell, and then we're gonna curve some up and down lines, curving this way on one side and the opposite way on the other. And I'm going to put the smile on the top of the other tortoise, curving one way down one side of the shell and the other way down the other. And then just to finish the shell, let's do a couple of smile lines like this and a couple of smile lines like this. Okay, and then we can do a wonderful color pattern when we're doing our color. Then let's finish our turtles. This is gonna feel like we're gonna do their head, and it's gonna feel a little bit like a sock maybe, okay? An upside down sock, okay? And then let's draw a circle with a colored in circle for our turtle's eye, and then a smile, okay? And another circle and a circle, and a smile for our other little tortoise, okay? Then they need their legs. They want to be able to walk around. So let's draw rectangles with zigzags on the bottom. And our turtles have 4 legs. 1, 2 in the front, and then 2 in the back. 1 and 2. And let's not forget their tummy, okay? So we're gonna draw a line like this. It's a really skinny smile, jump over those legs to the back, okay? And we're gonna do some lines for their tummy, curved just a little bit so it helps it look a little 3D, and a tail in the back, a little triangle for the tail. And then let's finish up our other turtle, okay? We're gonna do some rectangles with zigzags at the bottom for the legs, okay? 4 of those. And a little curved tummy for this turtle on this side, okay? I don't have room for this turtle's tail, but if you do, add a little tail, triangle tail at the back. Okay, so decide which one you want to be Mossy and which one you want to be Scoot, okay? And then while we're thinking about that, we're going to draw our horizon line, or where earth and sky meet. Jump over the turtles, cross the back, okay? And maybe this is the pond. Maybe I'm gonna do some wave lines for my pond back here, okay? All right, and then I want to think about Mossy's garden. So whichever one I choose to be Mossy, and since this one's up close and you'll be able to see the flowers better, I'm going to do some wonderful stems coming up, different lengths and different heights, just like they are in the story. Add some leaves. And then I'm gonna think about different kinds of flowers, okay? I wanna try and make my flowers as different as possible, and with lots of different patterns, okay? Maybe some of them are round with traditional style petals. Maybe some of them have more triangular style petals coming up. So think of a different style flower for each one of the stems that you drew up. Maybe this one's a rose. I like to draw my rose with a spiral and a smile and some greens at the bottom. How do you like to draw a rose? Think about that. Maybe you want to draw a rose. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want to do other flowers. Then, when your flowers are all done, add some color. You can use whatever you have for color. If you have crayon, use crayon or markers. Some people might be able to paint. Maybe you have paints and you might be able to paint your tortoises. Okay, so be creative and have fun with Mossy and Scoot. Bye.